Hey there! So last time I already showed you how to do the Easter bag and the Easter napkins, and this time we're going to make a nice kids Easter t-shirt. So you just need a kids shirt in every color and size you like, and a cutout of your favorite Easter design. I've chosen the rabbit with his ear. And first of all, place your shirt on the pillow and start with a rabbit. Place it at the bottom of your shirt and take your heat press. If it's bigger than your heat press, just do it in 2 steps. Just first do the bottom and then the top. So just a few seconds. All right, and go over to the top. All right. So now it's ready to peel off. Slowly peel it off. There you go. And now head over to the ear. Place it right there that it fits. It's nice that you can also adjust it if it's not correctly placed. You can just peel it off and place it right. But that should fit. All right, again, take the heat press and press it for some seconds. All right, should be enough. So now you can peel it off. Beautiful. So here you have your first shirt. So we're gonna do the second shirt, this time with a printable transparent vinyl, a little carrot card. So here, just take another t-shirt that you have, place it, and where you want to have your carrot card. Maybe in the middle. Yeah, I think that's nice. So now take your heat press. Here it's important that you do it for 15 seconds with 160 degrees. See if it fits. Right. 3, 2, 1. All right, finished. Now, just to cool it a little bit, lift it, and then you can start to peel it. Perfect. And there you go, the second carrot card t-shirt. All right, if you liked our video, make sure to follow us on Instagram, and if you want to do the project at home, you can also tag us so we see your beautiful results, and you can also subscribe our YouTube channel and leave comments.